This high fidelity mannequin has the ability to artificially recreate all kinds of different heart and lung sounds to fit the patient scenario that we're using. Now, we're not going to try to trick you guys up with our scenarios. We try to keep it pretty clean. So if, like, let's say a patient is a CHF patient, they're likely going to have crackles. We're not going to throw in some weird pericardial friction rub that you guys got to know about. What we're going to want to make sure, though, is that you're actually exposing the patient, that you're putting the stethoscope down on the actual patient, that you're not listening to them through the gown or anything along those lines. This mannequin weighs like 80 pounds, so we're not expecting you in simulation to listen posterior. So whatever sounds you hear anterior are the exact same sounds posterior for your assessment. Heart sounds we can change up. Bowel sounds, they can be slow, they can be fast, they can be all over the place. You'll still need to do your basic assessment on that.